Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 14 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM injection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find another white box here on top, and if you open it you will see here the SIM injection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of your SIM injection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take your SIM injection tool and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to insert it like this. So press it well. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now optional a second SIM card on the other side. Insert it the same way. Press it well from both sides. If you insert two SIM cards, nothing jumps out. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also, of course, a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put back your construction into the SIM slot of the phone. Make sure that the SIM 1, so the first SIM card, is on top, so to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.